YouTube, what's going on? Your Weekend Gardener out here doing a quick little video. I've never shown this before. I don't think I've had it in any of my videos, but this is a ginger plant that I was growing outside, and before it got cold I brought it inside and I've had it in my grow tent. How do you know if it's done? Well, according to some of the experts, it's when you start seeing the brown like this, that ginger is done. And from what I've read, they want you to collect from the outside, the outer ring. But I don't see anything that's done. Okay, we got one right here, one here. I kind of want to pull one just to see what it looks like. Wow. Yeah, I can smell the ginger. But this is what it looks like right now. These are the few of the dead leaves I pulled off. Okay, here we go. See that right there? Wow, I can smell the ginger. Okay, this is store-bought. I just broke a piece off. Show you what it looks like. Woo. That's not. I've never grown ginger before, but this looks successful. I had a store-bought piece. I put it in a container. It didn't do anything for weeks, probably a couple of months. And what I did is I remember dumping the pot and just said, okay, it didn't work. And I think somehow or another, a little rhizome got in the garden bed, and when I saw it coming up, I had to ask one of my friends, what is it? And she said it was ginger. So I dug it up and I put it in a bigger pot, brought it inside. Got ginger. Stay tuned.